Cryptocurrency prices can change in an instant. That's where conditional limit orders come in. A conditional limit order lets you set both a trigger price and a limit price to automatically execute trades when market conditions are just right. To place a conditional limit order, first log into your BitcoinIRA account. Then go to the self-trading page. Next, pick the crypto asset you want to trade. Under Order Type, choose Conditional Limit Order. Now, enter your trigger price and your limit price. For buy orders, the trigger price must be higher than the current market price, and the limit price must be equal to or higher than the trigger. For sell orders, the trigger price must be lower than the current market price, and the limit price must be equal to or lower than the trigger. Now enter the amount you'd like to trade. Once you're done, review your order details, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions, and click Place Order. Congratulations! Your conditional limit order has been created. If it executes, you'll receive an email confirmation. You can also track its status in the Open Orders section of your trader page. Each conditional limit order stays active for up to 30 days, or until it's either filled or canceled. If you change your mind or want to update your trade, you can cancel an open conditional order anytime before it executes. Once your order executes or is canceled, it automatically moves from open orders to your transaction history, where you can review all completed or closed trades. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Our team is ready to help.